Andarki Namaskaram. My name is Gaddam Shankar, Senior Faculty in Physics. On the request of so many students, parents, friends, colleagues, and my well-wishers, I decided myself to give knowledge in physics to the students by explaining the concept very clearly regarding 10th class, intermediate first year, second year, IPE, MSET, JEE Mains, NEET. So, utilize this opportunity. My dear students, don't miss my videos. This is my request also. Please utilize this opportunity and subscribe my channel, but don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay? So all the best for your future. And the students should maintain one notebook compulsory and follow textbook. First time you should watch my video totally. Second time should write notes. Notes is very, very important for you. Okay? So at this time there is no chance to go to school and college also. So stay at home and watch my videos. This is good opportunity for you. Okay? So we will start now. In first I want to start 10th class physical science. That is physics. Okay? So in 10th class physical science there are 12 chapters. In physics there are 5 chapters, and chemistry there are 7 chapters. Okay? The 5 chapters are, I am telling the number, chapter number in the textbook only. First chapter is physics, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Fourth chapter, refraction of light at curved surfaces. Fifth chapter, human eye and colorful world. These three are known as optics. Again, these will come in the second year. Next, 9th chapter, electric current. 10th chapter, electromagnetism. These two are known as electricity. Again, these two chapters will come into second year physics. So, first I want to start first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces. In this chapter, so this 10th class is very important base for higher classes. If you are perfect the topics in this chapter, then you are able to solve any problem intermediate and competitive examinations like MSET, NEET, JEE Mains, whatever may be. So you should be very careful about this chapter. Basics. This is basis for future problems also. Okay. In this chapter, the topics are reflection of light, concave mirror, convex mirror, some definitions, rules for ray diagrams, special cases of concave mirror and convex mirror, rules for sign convention, problems. Problems are very, very important here. Problems are very, very important. You should focus compulsory on problems especially. Okay, dear students. Okay, so first of all, reflection of light at curved surfaces. So in 8th class we have reflection of light at plane surfaces. That is plane mirror. Here we have reflection of light at curved surfaces. Nothing but we have here concave mirror and convex mirror. So these two are, especially concave mirror is very, very important here. It has 6 cases, but convex mirror has only 1 case here. And dear students, this is CC pattern actually, 10th class syllabus. CC pattern means yes, continuous comprehension evaluation. So in this pattern, the questions are asked in the examination from textbook. If you are perfect thoroughly about this chapter, then you are able to write answer for any question from textbook. Okay. So don't read like question answers. Don't mug up answers. You should focus on the concept here. Concept is important here. If you know concept, then you are able to write answer, then you are able to solve any problem. Okay. So my dear students, okay, all the best for your future. Okay, right.